Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the CRAFTSMAN V20. This is the model CMCBL720. This is their blower that you could use to remove debris and leaves and grass clippings on your sidewalk and patio and front porch. Now, the reason I purchased this particular one is because CRAFTSMAN tools are very reliable, and CRAFTSMAN has been sold to Black & Decker. So now this company is going to be around forever, and the CRAFTSMAN name and quality is still going to go on. This is a very reliable unit, and something that's unique is that only about half of the units out there have what's called brushless motors. And what that means for the techies out there is that the motor doesn't have any contacts on its rotor. Now, I use motors like this for model airplane flying that I do, and they are extremely reliable. There's no sparking, nothing like that. They run slightly more efficient so that your battery will last longer. So they're more money up front, but they're extremely reliable, and I'd highly recommend that you get CRAFTSMAN for other tools that use the V20 battery and get brushless motors also. Now, internally in here, you see it tapers from smaller to larger. Right here is an axial fan turbine of about a 6-inch diameter. Now, when this goes on, it will push out 350 cubic feet per minute and up to 150 mile per hour wind on the end of that nozzle. Now, what's neat is this has a variable speed nozzle on here. You can start off really slow, and then you can go higher depending on what you need. Now, there is a power boost toggle switch on here, and if you hit this right now, it does nothing. The unit has to be running, and it only toggles for that cycle that you're using it. So if you hit it right now, then hit this button, then you get that extra power. As soon as you return the button back to zero, you don't have that extra power. So it's a toggle switch that gets activated when this is in the active mode. Now, this, as I mentioned, includes two of these 2-amp LiPo batteries and the charger, and it has the button status on there. So we're going to demonstrate how this works outside, but I want to show you the battery. To remove it, there is a push button right here, and you push that and you lift up, and the battery comes right out and it just goes right back in. And as I mentioned, you can get other CRAFTSMAN tools that use the V20 system. It also comes with a nice instruction manual showing you how to use it and to maintain the unit. So we're going to go use this in my yard and demonstrate how functional it is. So, what do I think about the CRAFTSMAN, the CMCBL720, their brushless motor blower fan? I think this is a great product. CRAFTSMAN has always been good tools. I have a lot of tools, power tools from CRAFTSMAN. This thing seems to be very reliable, lightweight, and really powerful. I think you're going to like it for your yard, and your neighbors are going to appreciate you not having grass clippings all over anymore. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.